Oh, check this out. We're here in the Sunshine Coast and I just got the keys to the new workshop. Coming for a look. So I'm pretty sure this is like the first video ever in Sunshine Coast since I've been here, so welcome. Now this is the new workshop. I looked at a few and this one kind of made the most sense. Look, there's nothing in here at the moment, obviously, but I'm gonna run you through basically the plan for this and what I wanna do. So it's I think it's 120 square meters, so it's sort of 10 by 12. Bigger shed than I'm ever used to, but it gives us a lot of room for activities. So what's already in here, come around. So it comes with obviously a little toilet kitchenette, so I can cook some lunch and stuff, and there's a little toilet and shower in there. And then up the top there where these windows are, that's sort of gonna be my office area. So I'm gonna put a floor in, some walls, hopefully some aircon as well. And that'll be sort of where I do my editing and stuff. So the editing and the workshop stuff will be in here. Now coming around, there's really not a lot of electrical that's in here now. So I'm gonna run some new conduit, put a couple of 3-phase plugs in over there and some new outlets over this way. We'll get to that. So this first section, I reckon I'm just gonna put some racking in here. So this will be sort of storage for bits and pieces off the cars and stuff. All right, so there'll be some racking here. This section here will all be open. So pretty much a hoist is going to go in on like a 45 here. So this will be where most of the cars and the builds will happen, and you can get like a lot of room around it. That's what you need when you have a car on a hoist there. And then coming across sort of from this line-ish onwards is going to be workbenches and toolboxes. That's where I'm going to set up all that stuff and probably follow it along around this wall as well. So this table's here temporarily to help us out. And then in this corner here, I'm probably going to put like, I don't know, I'd say this is where the 3-phase plug will be, and hopefully I want to get like a bandsaw, maybe a little plasma cutter or something so I could do a bit more fab work. But this will be sort of where the machinery is, and then this whole bay where the door is where a car can run in and I can do a work on it when it doesn't need to be on the hoist. So have a main project running there and then little side projects here when it's not needed on the hoist. And obviously this room will just get taken up when I build up that office. And then of course, to top the whole thing off, I'm gonna paint the walls. I'm planning to do like a black lower section and a white strip, and then a little black section on top of that again. And then hopefully a nice fat Built Not Bought logo, probably right here. So that's a quick little introduction to the new workshop here on the Sunshine Coast. So this will be home for the next year or so. I'll do another video soon of pretty much the fit out. So I'm not gonna probably have enough time to get that done now and then put this in this episode, but the next video will be pretty much finished, hopefully. So I've got to get my hands on all this stuff, and the sea container is still coming from Perth with all my stuff in it. So I literally have that little Stanley toolkit in my drawer, and that's all I've got. So obviously the reason I'm in Brisbane right now, that doesn't make sense. So there we go guys, that is a quick little shop tour of the brand new workshop. Now I'm going to get into gear and get this thing painted and start putting the thing together. There will be a whole bunch of episodes of the whole thing coming together, so I look forward to that. Now, coming up, 4-wheel drive show down in Brisbane at the showgrounds there on the 27th to the 29th of March. It's coming up very soon. And if you haven't already heard, I'm going to be down there on my very own stand. Yes, the Built Not Bought stand. I'm going to be down there with the merchandise. We're going to have the truck there. I'm going to be on the stage daily. We've got some giveaways, competitions you can enter into, all sorts of stuff going on. We have a special discount code as well, BNB20. If you click the link down below, it'll take you straight to there, automatically add that discount code in there where you can snatch some pre-ordered tickets. Skip the queues when you get down there and enjoy the event. Number 2, obviously, Show Your Dirt in Melbourne is happening 1 week after the Brisbane show. So I'm going to be shooting down to Victoria for the Melbourne Show Your Dirt event. That'll be happening on the 4th of April. There's a link down below for the Facebook event. That's where all the details are. You can go and hit attending. Come down and check that out if you're in Victoria. It's the first time I'm running it there, so I'm pretty excited for that. One last thing I want to say, with this workshop, I was trying to think about how I can dress up the walls and make it look pretty awesome. And I really wanted to get you guys involved. So what I'm going to do is set up a PO box. There will be an address down below in the description there. And if you've got something that you think would look pretty nice hanging on the wall in this workshop, I want you to send it down to me and I'll take a look and maybe put it up on the wall in the workshop here. So we can really have a bit of everyone, all sorts of stuff in here to make it look really funky. I'd love to see some neon, things like that, some old wrought iron, steel, rusty things, stuff like that to make it look like a really awesome workshop. But I'm gonna get painting. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy. please click the button to your left if you want to go and check out the latest merchandise we have on our website. If you missed last week's episode, click down below to see it, and most importantly, on the far left, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.